Smile. A smile is often the first thing people notice. It creates a friendly, open, and approachable impression, encouraging others to engage with you. Smiling is a universal sign of goodwill and friendliness. It helps in breaking down barriers and building trust, making it easier to establish a connection with others. 2. Don't criticize, condemn, or complain. Criticizing or complaining about someone often makes them upset and defensive, and it doesn't help in solving problems. Instead, it's better to be understanding and kind, and to talk about issues in a positive way. This helps build better relationships and makes it easier for everyone to work together. 3. Give honest and sincere appreciation. Dale Carnegie highlights the importance of giving honest and sincere appreciation. He suggests that genuinely recognizing and appreciating the good in others not only boosts their morale and self-esteem, but also strengthens relationships. This appreciation should be heartfelt and specific rather than generic praise to truly impact the recipient. This approach fosters 4. Let the other people do all the talking. This approach involves actively listening and showing genuine interest in what others have to say. It helps in understanding their perspective better and makes them feel valued and heard. This strategy is crucial for building rapport and trust, as it demonstrates respect for others' opinions and experiences, leading to stronger, more positive relationships. 5. To get the best of an argument, avoid it. Arguments usually don't solve problems and can make things worse. By not arguing, you keep things peaceful and avoid hurt feelings. This way, everyone stays on good terms, and you might find a better solution without the stress and negativity of an argument. 6. Show respect for other people's opinions. This means listening to and valuing what others think and say, even if you don't agree. It's about being polite and understanding that everyone has different views. This approach helps in building good relationships because people feel respected and heard. It creates a friendly and positive environment where everyone feels comfortable sharing their thoughts without fear of being judged or dismissed. 7. Always begin with praise and appreciation. It's about first acknowledging what someone has done well before discussing any improvements or issues. This approach makes people feel valued and open to listening, creating a positive atmosphere. It's easier for people to accept suggestions or criticism after they've heard some genuine compliments, as it shows you recognize and appreciate their efforts. 8. Remember and use other person's name. Remember and use other person's name means that you should make an effort to remember and say people's names when you talk to them. Using someone's name shows that you see them as an individual and that you care about them. People often feel more valued and important when their name is remembered and used in conversation. 9. Become genuinely interested in other people. It's about paying attention to what they say, asking questions, and being engaged in conversations. When you are truly interested in others, it makes them feel important and appreciated. This genuine interest helps build stronger, more meaningful relationships because people are more likely to respond positively to someone who shows they truly care. 10. Be a good listener. Let the others do more talking. It's about giving others the chance to express their thoughts and feelings while you pay close attention. Being a good listener shows that you value what others have to say, which makes them feel respected and understood. Good listening leads to better understanding and stronger relationships, as people appreciate when their voice is heard.